Yung family ko kasi ano sila, generation sila nung lagi silang tama. Siguro alam mo, siguro kung ilan kung maglalagay tayo ng gano'n, parang baliwala.
Sa sure ka? In a wedding, one thing I also want couples to consider, this is a chance kung pwede mong sabihin. Yung mga hindi mo usually nasasabi or parang even just like na-appreciate ko everything you've done for me, yung parang ilabas mo. I would love for you both to have an opportunity to get to say that kung gusto nyo lang. Ha? And I would love for you also to have the memory na parang, when you look back on your wedding, dun mo nasabi, part ng memories nyo na nasabi mo to the people closest to you, how much you love or nalabas mo, na-express mo. Is that a memory or something you wanna tie together with your wedding day memories?
Pero kasi kahit na maging open ako, yung family ko kasi ano sila, generation sila nung lagi silang tama. Siguro alam mo.
Yes, I totally understand. I know that, yeah.
So anything na sabihin mo na
Kontra.
sabihin mo talagang kontra. Siguro kung ilan kung maglalagay tayo ng gano'n, parang baliwala.
Sa sure ka?
Sa kasi ako, open ako yung sa family ko. Nakikita ko sa mga namin na parang sabi ko sa kanila gusto nila makasal na ako kasi matanda gusto ni papa ng ako. Kung wala kasi siya makapagala siyempre sabi ako naman siya kung ano yung gusto ng family. Okay naman sa kanya pero yung sa kanya lang gusto niya is kasal muna.
Yes.
Sabi ko siguro gusto mo kasal.
Of course, oo.
Wala naman problema sabi ko. Pero ngayon nag-open ko sa family ko minsan. Siyempre ngayon parang medyo mahina yung business ko. So talagang medyo baldado. Bahay lang ako ngayon. Parang dyan lang ako ngayon. Pero paunti-unti. Diba? Pero sa ngayon talagang mahina. Eh, minsan humingi ka na kung sa kanila. Galit pa sila. Kasi makikita nila, may sakit pa ako. Actually, may sakit ako.
What do you have?
So,
Really? Are you okay? Are you...
okay naman. Okay naman ako. Gagamot naman ako.
Okay.
Tinutulungan ako ng mga. Actually, nagsasabi ako ngayon sa mother ko. Kasi pag sinabi mo sa father ko, para sa akin, ibigis na sana tulungan ako. Hindi eh.
Or at least sabihin in a way na at least pasensya na, hindi, or not in a way na stressful.
Oo.
You can say no, pero considerate naman.
So, feeling ko ngayon, siyempre sa bahay, para ako pasahan. Hindi, totoo naman eh. Diba? Yun ang bang film eh, parang chapwera ngayon eh. Pero hindi naman nila nakita na kung time na graduate ako hanggang nung nagkasakit ako kasi nung naka-COVID, saka lumabas ako sa Wednesday. So, ngayon lang talaga.
For your dad lang, pero your mom okay naman.
Hindi, minsan siyempre, mama, ganun din.
Ganun din.
Oo.
Really? Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Pero aside from that, let's say you have all of that, there's love naman. Do you feel it?
Ako naman.
That's tough. And hindi ko naman naiintindihan yung dynamic ng relationship nyo. Kasi syempre maraming layers yan eh. Hindi na, this is a part of it eh. Let's say, if you really look at it and you try, I'm not saying justify ha. If you look at the table, meron tayong iced tea, meron tayong menu, meron tayong ganito. O let's say natapon to. Let's say konting stain. Yan. Lagyan natin ng konti. Ay, may ano basa. But if you see there's iced tea, there's this, there's all of these things. Yung stain, if you look at the stain, totoo yan. But if you look also at the iced tea, may iced tea rin. Like you have something that you can appreciate and have. I'm saying like na parang, this is here, this is true, like that situation. But can you also see na parang, there's also love and there's also these, may pruweba na mahal ka naman talaga. Well, if you have that, then all I'm saying is, wala namang perfectong pamilya, diba? Wala namang perfectong magulang, wala ding perfectong anak, right? Marami tayong flaws. If you have something, proof of love and something healthy and positive. And all I'm saying is, on your wedding, would you want an opportunity to focus on those things? All I'm saying is,
Gusto ko rin ipalik sa kanila na
na-appreciate.
itong binigay nilang pagkakataon. Na-appreciate ko.
And totoo din yun.
Totoo naman. Kasi wala namang problema sa mga gabay. Kahit naman talaga, gusto bata ko, tama naman yung pagkakala. Yung ano lang siguro.
At this difficult time.
Parang sabi ko nga, parang nauusgaran niya. Kasi dahil hindi na ako siya mga serious.
And you can express that. There's a right time and place for all of those things. For me kasi, importante din masabi mo yun ng maayos. All I'm saying is, I'm trying to also help you both maneuver the healthiest possible perspective sa wedding. Kasi minsan nangyayari sa wedding, yung mga mabibigat at medyo parang negative parts of your relationship, hindi ko napapasalita si daddy. Ayoko nang ipasalita si mami. Hindi kami sasayaw. Ayoko nang ipasalita yung kapatid ko kasi nag-aaway kami ngayon. Yun ang nagiging focus nila on the wedding day na nangyari, yung once in a lifetime memories nyo. Yun ang naging highlight sa relationship na yon. Pero sa kapatid mo na yon, sa mama mo na yon, look at all the years. Totoo ba na minahal ka ng ganito? Totoo ba na pinalaki ka naman ng ganito? Look at everything. Gets mo? I don't want na yun ang naging highlight on your wedding day. And I'm not doing this for your parents. I'm doing this for you both. Meaning, don't you want that you chose to focus on the proof of love and the healthy, positive things? Would you want to be able to focus on that on your wedding? The positive things. Yun. And that's for you. That's not for your parents. That's for you. Meaning, I just want you guys to have yung parang hindi fear and pagting sarado yung nangyari sa wedding day nyo. Naging bukas and naging vulnerable kayo. Choosing love. Kasi naman yung what we celebrate, we don't celebrate fear in a wedding, diba? We celebrate love. So I try to also help couples navigate through the emotions to be more loving and to be more positive and healthy. Does that feel good for you both? Masaya pa rin ha. Dadaling ko pa rin lahat yan. Lahat yan nandyan. Promise, don't worry. Magiging masaya, smooth and everything. But I would love for you both to have that. Na yan din yung tied sa memories nyo. How does it feel?
Masarap pag-aisip.
You look lighter. O, di ba? Oh, you seem light. Di ba, Doc? Di ba mo mas mag...
Pero syempre, ano lang,
No.
nailabas ko lang yun.
But he needed to let it out. Kasi minsan kasi pag hindi mo ilabas, parang kailangan mong ilagay sa tamang lugar yung mga emotions na yun. And sometimes you just need to talk about it. Kasi kung hindi mo lalabas, kung saan yan pupunta dito sa loob, di ba? Dito, next yun yung galit ka sa iced tea, di ba? Ba't ka galit sa iced tea? Hindi, kasi si daddy, di ba? Mali, di ba? Or no, anger that is not put in its rightful place. Ang ganda, naging ano pa tayo, session tayo, no? Tala nyo, iba-iba yung usapan sa
Oo nga, naging open forum.
But in a wedding kasi, it is open. And I would love for couples to be more loving and more vulnerable.